So this is Mr. Uche. As you can see, this is from the Global Billionaires Network official WhatsApp group, and this is his testimony of the earnings he got through this particular business opportunity. And this is another person here from Global Billionaires Network. This is Mrs. Alina, and as you can see, what she has in the wallet is about $1,674. And this is another person who started recently and has been able to earn about $14. And this is what this business presentation is all about. I'm here to show you how you can join us in the Global Billionaires Network and start earning massively, just like every other person who has been in this business opportunity. So what do you need to do? You just need to make sure that you are not in a noisy background, and you have your pen and your jotter down in order to write down some important things that you'll be learning from this business presentation. Welcome to the Global Billionaires Network. So this business presentation comprises of what the Global Billionaires Network is all about, the purpose of the Global Billionaires Network, how you can join us, and how you can start making money. So follow me closely as we proceed in this presentation. The Global Billionaires Network is a global organization focused on wealth education, smart collaboration, and sustainable impact. The number 2 is that our goal is to raise financially free individuals from all over the world who uplift others and build generational wealth. Why was the Global Billionaires Network founded? It was founded to break the cycle of poverty by creating community focused on wealth creation. Number 2, to provide real solutions using education, networking, and tested financial strategies. Number 3, to give everyone, regardless of background, a chance to succeed. Now, before we continue in this presentation, if you are coming across, if this is your first time of joining, coming to this YouTube channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also drop a comment at the end of this video presentation. And for your information, my name is James Ifeanyi, and I am the founder of the Global Billionaires Network. So let's proceed. What is our core value? What are our core values? Our core values: 1 is empowerment. We believe everyone deserves the tools and opportunities to create wealth regardless of their background. At Global Billionaires Network, we empower individuals worldwide through financial education, community support, and access to real opportunities. Number 2 is collaboration. We grow faster and stronger together. Global Billionaires Network thrives through collective effort. Members win by supporting, referring, and lifting each other. The number 3rd one is impact. Our success is measured by lives transformed. Global Billionaires Network isn't about making money. It is about changing stories, families, and futures, one at a time. What is our vision? The vision of the Global Billionaires Network is to raise wealth creators. The number 2 is to impact community, and the number 3rd is transformational wealth. So these are our vision. We want to raise a new generation of wealth creators by empowering individuals with the mindset, tools and network to build lasting financial freedom. The number 2, which is impact community, is to build a global community of impact-driven investors where collaboration and integrity lead to sustainable wealth and meaningful rules. The number third one is to redefine wealth as a tool for transformation, uplifting families, communities, and generations through shared prosperity. Now, what is the investors package? You want to join the Global Billionaires Network to start making money through this organization. The investors package is a registration into the Global Billionaires Network. Number two is that you are not just joining, you are entering into a movement of financial growth. As your network is growing in the Global Billionaires Network, your income, your earnings grows as well. So this is what the investors package is all about. You have through the investors package, you become a member of the Global Billionaires Network, having access to our mentorship, to our lifetime mentorship guide and direction on how you can join us and start making money in dollars. Registration cost breakdown. So here you'll be getting the information about registration, how you can register. Now you need total of $12 to be part of the Global Billionaires Network in order to join the business opportunity that we have here in the Global Billionaires Network, which have been making money for all our community members. Now total registration cost is $12, but we sponsor $3 for every new members. You understand? Though is limited for just 50 people, 50 first people. After that, others will be paying $12. You only need to pay $9 to join this, and I will tell you why you need to pay $9 and how this $9 will start making massive income for you. And also know that the fee vary with time as we scale. The next one is how you earn as a member. How do you earn as a member? Now you earn through your network. Remember, your network determines your net worth. And next one is level upgrade. So you will understand this as we proceed in this presentation. What are the benefits of joining the Global Billionaires Network? The number one is access to mentorship and financial education. Here we teach our members about money. As they are earning the money, they are making a good investment and a good investment with the money, and not putting money in Ponzi scheme and making bad and wrong financial decisions. Now the next one is participation in growth-based income opportunities. So you have access to participate in the opportunities that we have available in the Global Billionaires Network. The third one is part of a global world-driven network. Now through this organization, you will have access to connect with people in different parts of the world through this particular organization, which is already happening in the Global Billionaires Network. Now the last one is long-term sustainability over quick wins. So you have a long-term sustainable business here in the Global Billionaires Network. So these are more testimonials from the group. These are more testimonials, as you can see, and as you can also see this one as well. These are more testimonials of people that are in this organization and they are making massive money already. So it's time to know how we earn in the Global Billionaires Network. It's time you have the right knowledge on how we earn in the Global Billionaires Network. So if you have watched this video this far, congratulations to you, because you are about to enter into the inner cycle of billionaires, future billionaires. You understand? So now the Global Billionaires Network, as I have explained to you earlier, is dedicated to empower individuals worldwide on how to achieve financial success. Now we have opportunity in the blockchain space that has what we call zero risk or risk free. Now this is to say that the money you are registering in this business is not risked that like you cannot lose it, because we are in a decentralized 100% and fully decentralized blockchain program, that everything that you do is within your control. You understand? Your money is in your control, which is in your decentralized application. Your earnings are not in any website for you to click and withdraw. You don't need to log into any website in order to place withdrawal. There is no withdrawal day, there is no withdrawal time, there is no minimum withdrawal, there is no limitation in everything concerning your money or your wallet. Now your money goes directly into your wallet, which is the place I showed you earlier. I have about $2,000 plus. Now how will you earn all of this money? Now for you to earn this money you are seeing here, I know you don't really have the understanding of everything you have of what you have on the screen, but I'm going to explain it and break it down. All I need is your attention. Now this is the business opportunity we are leveraging on, you understand, which has zero risk. Now the demand for you to earn all of this money you are seeing here, which is very massive, if we should look at this point here. This point is showing you the total amount of money you will earn from level 1 down to level 15. You understand? But you need to do something in order to earn this. Remember, I told you that you need to perform a simple task, right? Now the task is that as you are registering in this business, you have to invite 2 persons, right? Now you have to invite 2 persons. That is the task. But we, the leaders of the Global Billionaires Network, has covered that for you. How? By giving you access to the investors package. You understand? Which is what I explained earlier. Now when you join through the investors package, you are paying for your registration and you are paying for the 2 people under you, which we are going to use the money you paid for to get the 2 people that you register under your network. And this is what has been fetching money for all our members, because you don't need to struggle again to get people, but we run social media ads to get those people to join your network. You understand? And as the people are joining, they are registering, they are upgrading, as I'm going to be explaining to you bit by bit, the money will be coming in. Now look at this. This is level 1. Level 1, you are just going to earn about how many dollars? Just $4. And level 2, you are going to earn about $10. And level 3, you are going to earn about $43. Level 4, $172. Level 5, that is $688. Level 6 is $2,755. Level 7, $11,000. Level 8, $44,000. Level 9, $176,357. Now the next level, which is level 10, right? Level 10, you are going to earn about $700,000, $705,429. And the next level is $2 million plus. The next level is $11 million plus. The next level is $45 million plus. And the next level is $18 million plus. And the last, this is $45 million, which is level 13. Level 14 is $180 million, and level 15 is $722 million. Now how will you earn all of this money? When you register, you paid for your investors package, which your registration is $3 and the investors package is $3. The investors package is $6. So what you are paying total is $9. You understand? Now the other $3 we discounted is that in the Global Billionaires Network, you are mandated to get direct 3 persons, right? Now for now we are giving you room to get 2 persons instead of getting 9 persons, but after the 50 people we'll continue our normal program of 3 people, you understand, which will request that you get $12 for the investors package. Now once you've gotten this, you have paid for the $9 and you register, and we take the $6 to get these investors for you. You understand? Now what will happen is that it's fasten your steps. It takes away delay, and it takes away anything that will make you to be at the back. You'll be top, you among the top earners in the organization. You understand? So this is all that you need. Now this is the level in this business. Level 1, as I have said earlier, explained earlier, the income from level 1, as you can see, down to level 15. But look at the number. In your level 1 you're having people, in your level 3 you're having 4 people, in your level 5 you're having 8 people, you're having 16 people, 32, 64, 128, down to 15, which is about how many people? 32,768 people. So these are the networks that you need in order to be earning that massive. Now as many people will be joining your network, you are going to be earning. As they are joining and they are upgrading, you are going to be earning. So this is how we earn in this organization. So now what you need to do is to, after watching this video, come back to the WhatsApp, send me message directly that you are done watching the video and you want to make your payment. If you are in Nigeria, I will show you how you can make your payment and register. Guide you already. I have made a video on how you can download the app, the decentralized app, which is SafePal. You can use your Binance, you can use your MetaMask, you can use your Token Pocket and any decentralized app. You understand? You can use that. So I'll guide you. I'll send you the videos that will guide you on how you can make your registration, make your payment for the investors package. Now if you're also in outside Nigeria, you can as well send me a DM to get direction on how to go about it. So this is the explanation, and this is how the members of the Global Billionaires Network has been earning massively in dollars. As you can see, all this money you are seeing here are real. Do you know why? Because you don't need to log into any website to withdraw. The money that is coming, which is this money, it goes directly to that the same app that I showed you that made you to join the WhatsApp group. So and any money there is under your control. And once you are done with your registration, then you will be added to our official WhatsApp group, where you'll be joining us on our meeting, which is always every 2 days. Thank you for watching, and see you in my WhatsApp DM.